Hey y'all, it's your girl TNT, and I'm back with a long overdue video. I'm finally gonna give y'all another hair video. I haven't done a hair video, well, with my natural hair in a really long time. It's been like, I think it's been like 2 years. It's been a long time. So just a little update about my hair. The last time I did a hair video where I was actually styling my hair for y'all, it was dyed, it was colored, it was like this ombre. I'm gonna insert this footage so y'all can see what it looked like, and I miss it so much. But all of that color has broke off, and this is what my hair looks like now. Like 6 months ago, they threw away my shears at the airport, so I haven't trimmed my hair. Not even, more than 6 months ago. It had to be like almost a year ago. So long story short, I haven't trimmed my hair in forever. My hair is damaged. It's all types of crazy because all the color broke off. But you know what? You know, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So I haven't done a wash and go in over a year. So today, we're gonna do a wash and go. Turn up. Okay. So actually, the reason I'm actually really excited to do this wash and go is because I know if y'all are on Instagram and y'all have any type of natural hair people that you follow, you've had to see somebody use this brush. Let's open this. Shall we? Okay, cool. So I got the brush. Dang, hold up. That's a little ratchet. It looked like it was used or something, like somebody opened it and closed it and put it back. This was for sure open before, I think. I don't know, this part was open at the top. But anyways, the Easy Detangler brush. Okay. So I do get the feeling that this might have been open before, but you know, it's okay. It's here. So I really don't know how you use it. I guess this is supposed to clip and it has directions. First off, wet your hair with your water or your favorite conditioner. Gently brush vertically from the ends to the roots to detangle the toughest knots. Simply follow through horizontally with Easy Detangler brush to fully detangle. The locking clips help stabilize the panels. Locate the 2 lines of pinholes at the back of the brush. Lock clip on the top line if your hair is short or thin and beautiful just like you. Lock clip on the bottom line if your hair is thick and coarse and fierce. Wow, I like that. So they have instructions on where to put this clip thing. So I'm gonna put mine at the top because I definitely have thin hair. So y'all know Sierra from Sierra's Big Chop video. She has really thick hair. So if I were to use this brush on her hair, I would put it on the bottom one because that's for people with thicker hair. Whereas I'm about to do my own hair right now, so I'm gonna put it on this top one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I got the thing on. I was struggling for a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So I got it on. I have it at the top because I have thin hair. Okay, so I actually ordered this as well, you know, the spray bottle thing, and this looks like it was open too. What the hell? Oh hell no. They sent me some products that was definitely open before, and you know what, especially us being in the middle of a pandemic, I don't know how I feel about that. Y'all could do better. If y'all knew y'all was sending this to a vlogger, y'all would not have sent me this So I mean, altogether I think I spent like $35 or $40. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much I spent. When you send somebody something, they box don't need to look like this. Like, this has been opened before. This isn't damaged from shipping. This is damaged because it's been opened before. So, alright, it's a good thing I did an unboxing so y'all can see the first impressions. I don't like that, but we're gonna make it work. So yeah, the plastic all halfway off of it and stuff. I think I need to go wash this. I'm about to go wash this. Alright, so I'm gonna wash this and put some water in it, and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm back. So I washed the bottle and I put some water in it, and yes, so we're gonna attempt this wash and go. This shall be interesting. This shall be interesting. So I haven't washed my hair in like a week or a week and a half, something like that. But I put some co-wash in it earlier today. I put this co-wash in it. Shout out to Amber Simone. It's Miel Organics. But yes, shout out to Amber Simone. She hooked me up with this. And if y'all haven't, y'all go download the app Cherry. It's a beauty app. It basically gives you like beauty advice, and it's like reviews of different products ranging from skin to your hair, makeup, all sorts of stuff. So check that out. Check that app out. It's called Cherry. I'm gonna link it below. But yes, let's get back into this wash and go. So I'm just about to put this up, the rest of my hair up. Y'all see what I mean when I say my hair is so thin? Like, alright, and then I'm gonna spray this and put some gel in it. I haven't used Eco Styler gel in my hair in so long. I've been doing a lot of protective styles. Y'all, please bear with me because it's so hot outside. It's like 100 degrees, and I turned my fan off so y'all can hear me when I talk. I'm gonna turn it back on when I just start doing my hair. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ooh, I like that. I like that. It's not really getting my hair wet. Oh yeah, there we go. Like that. I'm so annoying. I've been wanting one of these spray bottles for a long time though. Ever since I seen it on YouTube. Okay. So I might try to trim my hair as I go. It depends what this wash and go is looking like. But my hair was kind of already detangled because I just took it out of braids. But this is making it seem like it's extra easy. Okay, brush. Let's see how you help with the style. Okay, let's see how it helps with the style. I'm going to take a good amount of Eco Styler gel. We're going to start from the bottom and put it up to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. It looks like my hair is growing, and I only imagine how long my hair was if I took care of it when it had color in it. Because literally all the color is broken off. And I dyed it literally like maybe a year, maybe 2 years ago now. Ooh, this is doing something nice. Okay. I like that. Wow. Okay. Yes, it's giving me very much defined, and I'm here for it. I am here for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this brush. Come on now. So what I did to get it real defined is I put gel at the roots and brushed it, and that did something different. That did something different. Y'all see this? I like this. Okay. Quality. Quality. The thing.
All that you're missing.
It's Sierra's big chop. Woo!
Hi everyone. Look how good Sierra's looks.
Sierra's birthday is next week. It's Sunday, right?
Exactly,
yeah.
7 days.
Next Sunday, Virgo season, September 13th. Y'all better give Sierra a shout out on y'all Instagram story. Y'all better say happy birthday to Sierra in the comments.
You don't have to do that.
Come on, tattoo. Aww.
I got it from Roxanne. Support black women tattoo artists.
Come on, support black business. Period.
I think she's mostly in the DMV, but she travels to Atlanta and stuff. Check her out.
Did you get it in LA?
Yeah.
So she came to LA and did it.
Pre-corona.
For Sierra, because it's the one and only Sierra's big chop.
Wait.
Okay, y'all, so I finished my wash and go and I am so pleased with the results. Okay, so this Easy Detangler brush is something special because it worked so well. Like, I've never had a wash and go come out this good and this defined before. But like I said, I haven't done a wash and go and it's been almost 2 years. It's been so long since I've done a wash and go, but I am very, very, very pleased with the results. So yes, let me know what other hair videos y'all want to see. I'm going to continue to make more content. Y'all go ahead and check out my other videos. Check out my vlogs. Check out my interviews. Check out my UCLA content. Check it all out, alright? And yes, thank y'all for supporting me. It's been your girl TNT, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Overall, I'm very pleased with the product. I definitely would recommend the Easy Detangler brush. I just don't know about my products being opened. Like, they really look like, well, not they look like they were open before. Like,